Hello students, welcome to Civil Class English. Today we shall study regular verbs and irregular verbs. How are they formed? We shall study today. Read the following sentences. As grandmother was shocked to see the snake in the coconut shell. Next one, second sentence. She called out the grandfather. In third one, they reached a small house. Fourth one, then he shouted for the man who lived there. So we saw these underlined verbs: shocked, called, reached, shouted, lived. These verbs have ed, 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 dr, ed ending. The underlined verbs are in simple past tense. These are in simple past tense. They refer to actions that happened in the past time, the time which is passed away. So they refer that time. To form simple past tense verbs, from simple present tense verbs, we just add d or ed to the verbs. So these verbs are called regular verbs. These are called regular verbs. Those verbs which are formed from present to past by adding d or ed, they are called regular verbs. As example is here, shock plus ed. We added ed, then it became shocked. It is also regular verb. Call plus ed, called, regular verb. Reach plus ed, reached, regular verb. Shout plus ed, shouted. It is also a regular verb. Live plus d, lived, regular verb. Dave plus d, dipped. Like plus d, liked. These verbs are regular verbs because they have d or ed ending as a regular feature in the past tense. So in this way we saw that those verbs that end by d or ed, they are called regular verbs. Regular verbs. Now we shall study how irregular verbs are formed. Irregular verbs, how are they formed? Let us see. Now read the following sentences which are given here. First one, I took the shell and ran to grandmother. He snatched the shell and threw it away. Look, grandma, I caught a snake. Caught, second form of catch. So these verbs, ran, present form is run, and ran is second form, past form. Throw, present form throw, and second form, past form threw. This one caught, its present form is catch, and past form caught. Catch, caught, catching. So the underlined verbs are irregular verbs. These underlined verbs, caught, threw, ran, took, these are irregular verbs because their ending is also irregular. They have no d or ed ending. So those verbs that have no d or ed ending, neither they have d ending nor ed ending. No d or ed ending. So those verbs that have no d or ed ending are called irregular verbs. These are called irregular verbs. As some other examples, all verbs do not take d or ed ending to form the past tense. In some verbs, there is a change in spelling. In the past tense, form as you see in the above sentences, here, caught, threw, ran, took. In the same way, some examples of irregular verbs are given here. Simple present tense, take, and simple past tense became took. Take, took. Throw, present form, and threw, past form. Catch, past form, caught. Sing, some other. Sing, present form. Sang, past form. Weep, present form. Wept, past form. Ring, present form. Rang, past form. So in this way we saw that these verbs have no d or ed ending. No d or ed ending. So these verbs that have no d or ed ending are called irregular verbs. Irregular verbs. So in this way, students, there are some other examples also we can see. Here, run, ran. Here, heard. Bring, brought. Buy, bought. Deal, dealt. Bind, bound. Stand, stood. Stand, stood. So many examples can be given in which there is no d or ed ending. So in this way we studied regular verbs and irregular verbs. Thank you, students. Now for next video we shall see some other verbs and some other grammatical portions. Thank you for watching this one.